Hi guys, my name is Afzal and welcome to the channel, a platform where we like to discuss, where we like to talk, discuss and review tech products. Today I'm very excited to share that I bought my first macOS device. It's a MacBook Air i5 5th generation 2017 model with 8 GB of RAM and 128 SSD. Well, you might be thinking, what's so excited about this? It's in 2017 model and not 2020. But let's talk a little bit of history. See, I've been in IT for almost 12 years now and mostly dependent on the laptops provided by the companies, and they all are Windows-based PCs. I never liked them, to be very frank. They are slow, they are cluttered, they have a lot of bloatwares into it, and they get slow over the period of time. And that is the reason I thought if I'm going to spend money and get my own laptop, it should be a macOS device. And you won't believe, guys, in 12 years of my career, I never had my personal laptop as such. That is the reason I thought I'll go with the macOS device only. I thought of doing content creation. I thought MacBook will be the first one I would prefer. But I didn't want it to go with good strength and spend a lot of money to go for a MacBook 13 or 16 inch, MacBook Pro 13 or 16 inch. Obviously, they are capable machines, but I didn't want it to spend a lot of money onto that. That's why I bought this very low end 3 years back MacBook and wanted to see if it is value worth to be used in 2020. Let's get into the unboxing and my first initial impression of the MacBook Air 2017 edition in 2020. Okay, let's open the box and see what do we have. As soon as you open the lid, you are greeted with the laptop itself. I bought this in silver color. Let's keep this aside and see what do we have. Okay, you have some paperwork and also your Apple stickers in there. You get a 45-watt power brick, which you can directly use with the power adapter and charge your laptop as such. Using this adapter, you can just plug in like this. Yeah, and you're good to go. But in case you see that the wire is small, you can use this extender and attach it like this, and you have around 3.5 meter of the cable to charge the laptop as such. That's it, guys. You get into the box. Let's keep this aside. So here is the quick specification. It comes as 1.8 GHz dual core Intel i5 turbo boost up to 2.9 GHz of speed. It comes with an 128 GB of PCIe based SSD, 8 GB of RAM with LPDDR3, and a 13.3 screen with an LED panel as such. When I bought this, it came with macOS Catalina, but soon got updated to macOS Big Sur. Okay, let's see what are the ports we get. On the left hand side of the device, we get the MagSafe, which is a magnetic adapter for charging. You get an USB 3, one port on the left hand side. You get an 3.5 mm jack and two microphones on the left hand side. Okay, let's see what you get on the right hand side of the device. So you have a Thunderbolt port that can be used for an external monitor. You get an USB 3 port and an SD card for your memory cards. It comes with a dedicated escape key and butterfly switches keyboard. You also get an inverted T up and down arrow shift keys. It comes with a 720p HD camera, which is good enough for doing FaceTime calls. And it was the last MacBook which came with the glowing Apple logo. After that, Apple did not make any laptop which had this Apple logo glowing. It comes with adjustable backlit keyboard. All the lights are LED and it gets plenty bright at night. And you can adjust the backlit accordingly. weeks that I'm using this laptop, and the experience is so far fluidic. There are some learning curve. For example, to move within the desktop, you use three finger gesture. If you want to view all the desktops, you just scroll three finger up and then three finger down, five finger in to see all your views, all your apps, five finger out to come out of all those apps. You can browse through left and right via two finger gestures, left and right, and two clicks to do a right click. So far the experience is too good. I have edited a couple of photos, for example this one, and you won't believe guys, I have edited the entire video on this laptop. So far the experience is too good guys, and I'll be sharing my thoughts more on this in my long-term review. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. See you in the next one. Thank you.